Hey everybody, I'm here today with a very simple video about reflexology to help with migraines. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. So if you're looking for a video on reflexology to help with migraines, and you're looking for a tutorial video, this is the video for you. I'm gonna go over 4 things that you can do with regards to reflexology to help with your migraines. Let's get right into this instructional video. Okay, so originally I was actually gonna bring my foot up in here and show you, but I'm in my van, so it's kind of tight to do that. And you know what, I can just kind of show you using my hand, and we're going to pretend that it's my foot. So number one is your big toe. Okay, so essentially you're going to find your big toe, and you want to just rub your big toe, okay, with regards to the top and the bottom of it, and just go up and down the big toe. Apply a little bit of pressure with a little bit of rubbing, nothing crazy. So we're pretending this is my big toe, just like this. Nothing crazy, nothing too harsh, just a bit of pressure with a little bit of rubbing. Do that for about a minute, okay? See if that helps. Okay, number two is the base of the toes. So under all of your toes, you're going to go and apply a little bit of pressure like this with a little bit of gentle rubbing under the base of all of your toes. Okay, once again, do that for about a minute or so. See if that helps out. Okay, and I'll explain these towards the end. Just like that. Little bit of pressure, little bit of rubbing back and forth. Very simple. Number three, the middle of the foot. So essentially where your middle of your foot is on the underside, so the sole of your foot, you're going to want to take your 4 fingers and you're going to want to rub in a circular motion with a decent amount of pressure. Nothing too harsh, nothing too intense, just a circular motion with a decent amount of pressure, just like that. Do that for about a minute. Try that out. Okay, and lastly is number 4. Number 4 is the earlobes. So get your earlobes once again and just use your thumb and your index finger to rub them just like that, just in sort of like back and forth circular motion, just gentle pressure, nothing too intense, and do that for about a minute. Okay, now you want to try and do those 4 things. Now each of those 4 reflexology points and sort of like pressure points, I guess, they connect to various aspects. Like some of them connect to your neck and your head. Like they connect to various aspects of the things that will help you out with your migraine. Okay, so yeah, try that out. See if it gives you a little bit of alleviation from the pain. See if it helps with your migraine. Hopefully it gives you a hand and sort of relieves you. Yeah, try it out. Hopefully they work. They all connect in various ways. So yeah, try it out and hopefully they work. And yeah, that's all the best. And if if your migraine persists, obviously, then go seek professional help. Go seek help from a medical professional, of course. But these are just meant to sort of alleviate the pressure and the pain. And if it's a small migraine, and you can do these things and it goes away for good, then you can count yourself as lucky. In that sense, you can say like it's a good thing. Okay. Anyways, like I said, if it is if it's causing you discomfort, if your migraine's not going away, then go seek help from a medical professional. Go seek professional help by all means. You got to go seek professional help. But these are just meant to sort of get you by. And hopefully, if it's just a small migraine, they're going to hopefully, just get rid of it, hopefully. Anyways, that's it. I've said more than enough. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.